Okay, brand managers, let's talk. You've got a fantastic game-changing vaccine ready to go, but we all know a great product is only half the battle, right? So what if you could actually prime your market for success before you even launch? This isn't just another case study. Think of this as your strategic playbook for doing exactly that. So let's set the scene. Imagine you're about to launch a vaccine for a disease everyone knows, a disease everyone fears, something like dengue in India. Now, on the surface, that feels like a slam dunk, does it? High awareness should mean the market is just waiting for your solution. Pretty straightforward. Well, you might want to pump the brakes some lad. The reality on the ground is almost never that simple. In fact, that one little assumption that awareness automatically equals market readiness, that could be the single biggest risk to your entire launch. And this brings us to what we call the awareness paradox. See, just because people recognize a disease doesn't mean they're ready to prevent it. In the case of dengue in India, that widespread awareness has never ever translated into a routine preventative habit. So the market isn't just unprepared, it's operating on a completely different wavelength. This creates a really dangerous gap between what you think the market looks like and what it actually is. The perception, it's a favorable environment. Everyone knows the disease, clinicians are familiar. But the reality, it's a whole different story. There's no habit of prevention. Counseling only happens when someone's already sick, and optional vaccines, they're not even on the radar. So let's really dig into that gap. We've pinpointed 5 specific barriers that this lack of preparedness creates. And listen, these aren't just minor communication challenges. We are talking about a core risk to your business. Let's kick things off with the first and honestly the biggest barrier. Parents don't actually feel a need for prevention. Sure, they're scared of the disease. Who wouldn't be? But that fear doesn't automatically flip a switch to proactive behavior. And here's why that disconnect is so huge. For a parent whose child is perfectly healthy right now, the risk of dengue just feels distant. It's an abstract clicked. Plus, prevention isn't part of the routine checkup conversation, so vaccination never gets filed away in their brain as a planned health decision. It just becomes a problem for later, which, as you know, is a death knell for a new vaccine. Now, for barrier number 2, and for this one, we are stepping right into the pediatrician's office. The problem here is that your topic, dengue prevention, is a ghost. It's completely absent from the day-to-day conversations. I mean, just think about a pediatrician's day. They are swamped. Their time is incredibly limited, and it's laser-focused on the essentials: mandatory vaccines, growth charts, nutrition. Dengue prevention just isn't built into their work queue. And here's the hard truth. If it's not in the workflow, it might as well not exist. Now, the next 3 barriers are where things get even trickier. They don't happen one by one. They actually feed into each other, creating this powerful downward cascade of challenges that can completely derail a launch. So here's how that cascade plays out. First, because no one's talking about prevention early on, the vaccine conversation starts way too late, usually when a child is sick and anxiety is high. That leads to hesitation. Second, if you have a limited field presence, you're missing out on those crucial pre-launch months to build trust. So what's the end result of all this? Your brand shows up with no preventative anchor into a market that has literally no mental space prepared for it. So if you take one thing away from this, let it be this. The biggest threat to your brand isn't that doctors or parents will say no to the vaccine. The real core risk is total market unpreparedness. The entire system just isn't ready for you. So how in the world do you fix an unprepared market? This is where the playbook comes in. It requires a fundamental shift in strategy, away from just promoting a product and towards actively building the very system that can accept it. And the logic behind the solution is actually beautifully simple. It's a 3-step framework that's super actionable: teach, enable, and sustain. This is how you actually prime the butter. So what do we actually mean by that? Well, teach is all about making dengue prevention a legitimate routine topic, using credible academy-endorsed education. Enable is about making that conversation totally effortless for busy clinics and parents using simple digital tools. And sustain is about keeping prevention top of mind all year long, so you finally break that cycle of just talking about it during peak season. Okay, so that's the what. Now, let's get into the how. Here's the blueprint in action, a digital-first toolkit that's designed to work at a national scale, even if you don't have a huge field force on the ground. And believe it or not, it all starts with the simplest action imaginable, right in the place where health decisions get made. A quick QR code scan in the pediatrician's waiting room. And this is the magic moment. In that one scan, you transform that dead time, that passive waiting, into active learning. A parent scans the code and they're instantly engaged with content that's branded for that specific clinic. You're extending the doctor's trusted voice beyond the four walls of the consultation room, right into their home. Now, this whole system is powered by a really smart, scalable digital toolkit. We're talking clinic-branded microsites, short and simple videos in local languages, QR posters for the waiting rooms, monthly webinars for the pediatricians, and easy-to-digest summary PDFs. The real beauty here is that it's one content system that you can roll out nationally with a very low operational lift. So let's talk bottom line. What's the ultimate business impact of all this? The goal here is nothing short of engineering launch readiness. This is the big strategic win for your brand. Just look at the transformation you're creating. You're single-handedly moving the entire market environment from reactive and episodic to proactive and routine. You're shifting that high burden of counseling to effortless education. You're systematically turning a cold market into a fully prepared warm system. And maybe the best part of all, this isn't just a feel-good theory. It's completely measurable. You can actually track key indicators like how many clinics adopt the tools, how many parents are exposed to the content, and how many doctors are staying engaged. These metrics tell you in real time exactly how ready your market is becoming. And that all leads to the final crucial payoff. After months of building the system, when your sales team finally introduces the vaccine, it doesn't feel like some brand new out-of-the-blue request. It feels like the logical next step in a conversation that the parent and the doctor have already been having for a while. So I'll leave you with this one question to take back to your team. As you plan your next launch, ask yourselves, are we just creating a strategy to sell a product, or are we actually building the market that will guarantee its success? Because that choice makes all the difference in the world.